Next, we go to part 3, management requirement of organization. There are 10 requirements. First is to demonstrate management commitment. Second is to focus on customer. Third is to establish quality policy. And fourth is to establish plan on how to develop, document, implement, maintain, and ensure continual improvement of the company QMS. Fifth is to set quality objective, action plan to achieve them, and how to measure the objective. Six is to identify responsibility and authority for the company QMS. Seven is to appoint quality management representative. Eight is to have an effective internal communication to communicate the company QMS. And next is to review input performance of QMS. And lastly is to generate output from the management review. Next, we go to the milk processing. The first step is by the collection step, where the milk collected from the cow is stored into a milk tank, which is kept at controlled temperature, which is at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And then the milk undergo the first inspection stage, where the milk is inspected for its flavor, temperature, and the volume. After it passes the first stage, the milk is sent to the factory where the separating stage takes place. There are two separating stages. The first separating stage is to separate milk from other impurities such as bacteria and any other sediment. Second is mainly to separate milk and produce both cream and skim milk, and the excess milk fat that is from second separative stage is processed into cream and butter. And next we go to the fortifying stage, which are there are two ways, which are manually by hand or parasitic pump. And the aim for this stage is to add vitamin A and D to the milk. Next, we go to the pasteurization stage, where meat undergo a heating process and cooling process. The main the main aim for this pasteurization stage is to kill and reduce the number of microbes and bacteria to the safe level. Next, we go to the homogenization, where milk are homogenized to reduce the size of the milk fat and to distribute the milk fat evenly through the milk. Next, we go to the packaging, where the milk are packaged into desired container. And next, after the milk processing stage is finished, the equipment are cleaned, which the aim for this cleaning process is to ensure sanitary condition on the inner surface of the equipment and the piping system. This is the summary for the milk processing stage.